going to have to find it in a minute. Lincoln, absolutely not. Get out the other way. You guys are not climbing over the seats. Absolutely not. Lincoln, get out of the car. Go that way. And then open the seat for your siblings. Good grief. You guys are actual animals. Oh my gosh. You would think that the last time we saw them was, look at them hug out there. Are you kidding me? You would think that the last time we saw them was 5 years ago. Nope, just a couple days ago, folks. It is as if they haven't seen each other in actual years. I loved it.
Also, I got the Oregon. Let's go.
They're still screaming.
Julie said that the kids were screaming on the inside. Well, my kids were screaming on the outside. Her bandana. Oh. Oh, good.
That's how you make it dance.
You want to take it?
She wants you to take her so you can go check out the present.
Hello, sweetheart.
They're so cute.
Has no shame or fear or anything.
Oh, wow.
Son, oh my goodness. He does
My gosh, he is literally an animal.
Did he just show
He just sat in like it was a hot tub.
He's been in there for like 15 seconds.
I cannot believe him.
Somebody get in there with him. You guys can get in there. There you go, bossy.
Oh, your kids are so cute.
Do you have the timer on?
He's just like,
Timer on, timer on, timer
he's been in there for like 15 seconds.
How?
Somebody get in there with him. You guys can get in there. There you go, bossy.
I need my time. Oh, no, I'm a little too scared.
How's that feel? Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Slow deep breaths. Oh my goodness. You kids are monsters.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Slow,
cold.
Cody. Slow.
It's so cold.
Slow, Cody. Slow your breathing.
Yeah.
Slow your roll.
It's cold.
You guys are monsters. Good job.
this out.
Oh,
I did.
that's like
It was
actually
cool.
like
That's actually like
Boston.
freezing.
here.
Good?
I'll go in and I'll go with my knee.
Okay, go in.
this out? No, I just woke
It's
up.
gonna go up to your tummy or what?
Standing.
Good job. Oh, let's see. You're at 32 seconds. How are your legs? We're gonna see a distinct line on your legs. Yeah, she'll be red.
I know Landon has a discount code for these things, so Landon, give them a very brief spiel and your discount code.
Yeah, so cold water immersion helps with all sorts of fun stuff. Inflammation and depression, anxiety, all sorts of good stuff. So yeah, we'll give you a discount code for it if you want to give it a try. Your kids are beasts. You guys should get one of these.
We have it. It's called the lake we live next
Yeah,
to.
that's true.
How long do you typically go for?
3 to 5 minutes.
Wow. How long do they say to go for?
So they just came out with a study about a year ago that showed if you do 11 minutes a week, doesn't matter how long each one is, but about 11 minutes per week will give you optimal results for anti-inflammatory stuff, mental health, better sleep, all sorts of stuff. So that's what I try to go for. If I go 3 minutes and do it 4 times a week, then it's pretty good.
And does it maintain its cool on its own, or like in the summertime does it still work, or is it only in this time of year?
So it's got a pump that'll hook up to these inlets here.
Okay.
And so the pump will filter the water, and then it'll either heat it or cool it. You can set the temperature.
Oh,
so you
okay.
can have this as a hot tub too if you'd rather. So it's pretty sweet.
What are the health benefits of hot tubbing? It's so much harder.
I know, right?
People just don't realize how difficult it is.
She thought she could carry all the takeout leftovers.
My turn.
No, please don't. Poor thing. She's so sad about it. Oh, honey. This is where you guys are going to do your Lego. We ought to get all the craft stuff cleaned up off of it so you can really...
Me and Cody did it. Look, the doors open and look. The train actually goes. Watch. I had to redo this. Like, oh look, wait, where's the bobsled? Look, Mom, watch this. Yeah, and then the bobsled. Look.
Stop your... Oh my gosh.
Get in there.
Okay, hold on. Don't let it go down yet until I can see.
There's a little button to push Kevin out.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Kevin's supposed to be in there, but he's not.
Okay. Then you push the button.
Yeah, and guess what?
This is the best Lego I've ever seen. So we got Harry and Marv inside.
There's
And then what's in the back? Let's see.
There's stuff that they stole. And they're crowbars. This is Buzz's spider that fell on Marv's face in the movie. Also, look at one of the stickers.
What?
It's Buzz's girlfriend.
Oh my word, you guys, the detail that goes in to this puzzle set. Cody, now here's what I'm worried about. See how you've got like random stuff, like you've got a stapler, you have these plastic garbage pieces, and you have all these little tiny Lego pieces running around. You are going to lose pieces, I promise you. Everything needs to be cleared off this table before you can keep going. And the reason that I'm picky about it is because I don't want the kids coming to me and like, Mom, we can't find our pieces, because then it becomes my problem. So I need you. Uh-oh, look, I see a piece on the floor. You guys, there is a Lego on the floor. There's a Lego on the floor, Code. Okay, we've got to get organized before we can put together a over 5,000 piece puzzle, okay?
Mommy, watch. Puzzle, watch.
You know what I mean.
Is this okay to show on YouTube?
I think so. That's how we're gonna carry her.
You'll be all right. She's like, I just needed my head out.
Yeah, she
I'm
didn't.
worried she's gonna open it. Because she just barely did and it was closed.
Well, how can we like tie the two together? I think.
What happened, bud?
Oh, you okay?
No riding them in and out of here. This is too narrow. Carry it and walk
Oh,
it out.
she's so nervous. She's shaking. She's like, no.
It's okay. You're gonna be just fine. You're gonna go to Grandpa's house.
Should we put her like fully in and give her a treat and just like let her?
That'll last 2 seconds.
Yeah.
She, you know what? She knows.
She'll be fine. She
She knows to stay.
You'll be all right. Hold your things tight.
Okay.
So you're not slacking on it.
There.
Sorry, I pulled it loose because it was too tight.
Tight. Get them tight. There you go. That way she can see you. And now she can see you guys riding. She'll be all right.
Have fun at Grandpa's. Please be good. Be good for Grandpa and listen. Love you.
I'm doing a wheelie.
Please don't do it, Wheelie. Bye. All right.
That's the funniest thing ever.
Kids are out of here.
And the dog.
And the dog.
Should I take a nap?
Yeah. Look at him go out there. You can barely see him behind the trees. Aww. Are you guys ready to come and show your Lego?
Yeah. It's so cold.
All right, let's see.
It said blink for a second. Me and Cody mostly built it, but yeah. They're
Okay.
so realistic. I'm gonna show you.
I've shown this and I love it.
Hold. Show the
I've shown, oh, okay, look at the tree house. Is
treehouse. That's what I gotta do.
it? I like it. Oh, Cody! Oh. Okay, so the lid comes off, or the roof comes off. That's cool. Is there anything in the roof?
Yeah.
Not really.
Yes.
Oh, is there? No.
Fuller.
Oh, it's the attic.
There's a gumball machine.
Stop,
it's
I need
fuller
to see it.
Mommy, look how Buzz's shelf works. Look,
Hold on, I'm looking at the gumball machine.
Lincoln.
That's rad.
Oh,
Okay.
let me put this stuff.
Lincoln, go away.
Oh, guys, he's gonna show us too. Okay.
Well, so I can still show.
Okay, well,
but you're just messing around.
if you guys are gonna fight, I'm not gonna show it at
So
all.
look, watch his. Oh, so watch Buzz's shelf.
Wait, why is that Buzz's shelf that does that?
Because remember?
Oh, because it breaks.
Because in Home Alone.
Oh, that's funny. Okay. Now, Boston, what would you like to show me?
I don't I want to do that.
The right here falls down the stairs because of the booby traps.
Is that the paint can?
Yeah, and also the spider.
The spider.
Oh, that's funny.
There's the train and the mannequin.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
This is the back of the house, like the one. This is the kitchen.
It's the
So-
downstairs as well.
yeah, look. So this is the downstairs.
You can take it off.
Oh, that's right. Let me take it off. That'll be so.
So
much
it's the
easier.
downstairs.
Cody, shh, I'm telling him. I'm so. Okay. Look. Oh, is that the heater? Yeah. That's incredible. Okay.
You got your washing machine.
Aww. And then look. Okay, so this is the kitchen part, and you got your macaroni. Oh gosh, you like poked me.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Oh well, they're supposed to be out, but it's macaroni. Oh, fun. And then we'll just close that. And then
The little
they got like the thing that falls down.
the.
What is
Wait,
that supposed
okay,
to
put
be?
it on top though.
Where did it go?
Here, put this on top and then show it. The thingamabob. The.
What falls? You know, remember when like he's shooting the things? Like
Yeah.
look down there, and they'll fall. Oh, I saw. Yeah.
And also on the instructions, this is instructions, but it has like it shows like the battle plan when Marvin.
Oh, fun.
It's actually in here, right here.
That's
Here,
actually super cool.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
It's the map.
Oh, this is the same map as this?
Yeah.
That is seriously cool. Okay, so do you want to know tomorrow's game plan? At some point, I think we need to take each little piece apart,
Again?
put it in,
Let's keep it out for a bit
sure,
longer.
sure. But sometime before you guys go back to school, we'll get it all in boxes, and we'll tape up the box, and we'll do it again next year, okay? Okay, enjoy your evening.
Okay. What?
Enjoy your evening, and the only rule is don't wake each other up in the morning because we are all sleeping in.
And stick together.
That's my number one rule. Yes, it is. Oh, buddy, it's 10 o'clock and our pizza's here. Yee. It's a Friday night. It's 10 o'clock on a Friday night. Who is she? What day is it? Doesn't matter. Yeah. We always do a extra large ranch sauce, pineapple, green peppers, and olives, and then a cheese. Favorite part of Christmas break? What's it been? Let him go because I don't. I gotta think. What is
butter
it?
on your nose?
Christmassy.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite part of the break so far?
Mine was going with Cooper, the Drews, and to that, like Provo Beach, and also seeing what they got for Christmas.
What about you, Code?
Staying up all night.
That was mine.
And
Kind of like not having like a rule. You're just like, okay,
doing whatever.
hang out. You guys can eat whatever. Just keep it in the kitchen.
Staying up all night, sleeping in as long as we want, and eating anything that was in the house.
Yeah.
Cody?
Same.
We stayed
Actually,
up doing
same.
Lego.
How late?
12 o'clock.
We should show them your Lego.
Me and Cody and Olivia Bill.
Oh, we need to show them
No, it was more
training.
It was more along the lines of Cody and Boston building and me being like the last like 50 pages. I'm doing the rest. You did it. Yeah, Olivia was really butthurt because you guys did it without her.
It was also my present too, though.
It was. It
I
was.
got
I didn't even do anything.
We gotta take it down and put it back up at the new house. So
Yeah.
give you a chance.
Yeah.